Hey everyone, welcome back to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both timeless and incredibly important: breastfeeding. Specifically, how long should you breastfeed according to Islam and other religions? Stick around to the end for some well-researched insights. First up, let's explore what Islam says about breastfeeding. The Quran provides clear guidelines. In Surah Al-Baqarah 2:233 it states, "Mothers may breastfeed their children for 2 complete years for those who wish to complete the nursing period." Similarly, Surah Luqman 31:14 mentions, "His weaning is in 2 years. Be grateful to me and to your parents. To me is the final destination." And in Surah Al-Ahqaf 46:15, his gestation and weaning period is 30 months. Islamic scholars interpret these verses to mean that 2 years is the complete breastfeeding duration. If a baby is born prematurely, the total period, pregnancy plus breastfeeding, should complete 30 months. Now, what did Prophet Muhammad say about breastfeeding? In a hadith from Sahih Muslim, 1445, he said, "Breastfeeding establishes relationships of fosterage as birth does." Another hadith from Sunan Ibn Majah, 1942, states, "The Messenger of Allah determined that breastfeeding beyond 2 years does not establish fosterage." From this, we learn that breastfeeding after 2 years is not necessary in Islamic rulings. Weaning earlier is also permitted if both parents mutually agree. But Islam isn't the only religion that speaks about breastfeeding. Let's see what other faiths say. In Christianity and Judaism, 2 Maccabees 7:27 from the Catholic Bible reads, "My son, I carried you in my womb for 9 months and nursed you for 3 years." In ancient Jewish and Christian traditions, mothers often breastfed for up to 3 years. In Hinduism, Manusmriti 2.32 advises, a mother should breastfeed her child for at least 2 years to ensure full growth and development. Hindu traditions also recognize the importance of extended breastfeeding. So, what does modern science say? Interestingly, modern research aligns with Islamic recommendations. The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months, followed by continued breastfeeding with complementary foods for 2 years or beyond. The American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, also suggests breastfeeding is recommended for at least 1 year, and ideally 2 years or more. This proves the wisdom behind Islamic teachings, which emphasized the same guidance over 1400 years ago. To summarize, Islam recommends breastfeeding for 2 years, and this is supported by the Quran, Hadith, and modern science. Christianity, Judaism, and Hinduism also acknowledge the importance of extended breastfeeding. These teachings highlight the deep wisdom behind nurturing a child for optimal health and development. So, what are your thoughts? How long do you think breastfeeding should continue? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment for more Islamic insights. This video to spread awareness with your thoughts. Stay connected for more discussions on Islamic teachings, health, and current affairs. See you in the next video.